Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna create a kick. Well, we're actually not gonna create because we're not gonna use any plugins, but we're going to make it sound unique with two samples that we already have, because we have a lot of samples and I know you do. We're gonna make a kick that sounds unique for on our productions, so we don't end up using the same kicks as everybody else. You can get those kicks on, Function Loops or Future Phonic from UK, very high quality sample packs, Sennheiser, and probably a lot more that I don't know. And you do. But anyways, why did I pick these two kicks? Well, for the first kick, this one, I like the attack of the kick. Okay, let's listen to it. Very nice kick. There is nothing wrong with it. I just don't want to use it as it is, because there is also another 10,000 producers that are going to use it just like that. So I want to make my kick a little bit more unique. Let's listen to the second one. The second one, I like the tail. I like the punch and the subs. So let's listen to it. Again, very nice kick, professional, well made. But how can we make it original? Well, the first thing we want to do is to take both kicks and make it sound at the same maximum peak level. I'm gonna choose -12. You can set it at whatever you like. Once we've done that, the second thing we need to do is to set our quantize to 128, which I already have. Cut both at the beginning, first line like this, boom. And what did we set? We said we're gonna keep the subs from the second one and the attack from the first one. So that's what I'm gonna do. And now you take a good close look to both waveforms, just to make sure that there is no sound above or below this middle line right here, okay? So I think right here is pretty good. And for the second one, since this one is going down, so we need to keep going down with the second one. Let's see, maybe here. It's a very simple technique, but it's not easy, meaning that you're gonna need to spend some time. It takes a lot of practice, like everything else in music production. But once you get the idea and you know how to pick your kicks and you know which type of attacks and sustains you like, it's a very fast and easy way to make your kicks sound unique. So by that, you will also make your bass line sound unique. Okay, so this is not just good for your kicks, it's also good because you will end up having a kick and a bass that sounds unique, which we will cover in the next video. How to make a bass line a little bit more in depth. We will go into sound design with Serum and processing and all that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, let's make this one a one file, replace events, bam. And just because the video is being so short and fast, let's grab the other two kicks and compare. just to see what we start with. I think we said we were gonna keep the attack from this one and the subs from this one, and now we have I love it so far. It's a really good kick. Let's go back and forth a little bit faster so we can hear the, and I'm gonna shut up so we can hear the difference. Original kick, wow, massive difference, huh? Again. Massive difference, a very unique kick with the exact same volume. So we are not getting fooled by the volume or anything like that. It's just a very unique kick, which is very unlikely that another producer will mix these two exact kicks the same way we just did. It's very unlikely. So I hope you like this video. I hope to see you on the next one. Let's talk about bassline. Take care, subscribe and all that blah blah blah. Ciao.